First, plug in your license key and open up VisionTRX. Next, go to the toolbar menu and select the new icon to create a new profile document. Once the document opens, you will see the following layout. The new profile will automatically connect to your default camera as shown in the settings for the live view under the camera's property. The camera feed displays on the Live tab in the center of the display, and the log at the bottom will show that the connection is working. There are 3 camera options. First, you can go to the camera's property, and using the drop-down, you'll have the option for any Microsoft Windows compatible camera installed on your system, such as this integrated webcam that is already configured for my laptop, normally the default for most laptops, or this USB webcam that I have connected, which was my initial automatically connected camera. The second option is using the camera URL. You can connect to a network camera using any supported camera protocols such as RTSP or HTTP. Refer to the camera's documentation to find the correct URL for each camera. A third option is that you can load a previously recorded video using the file paths to the movie file in either MP4 or WMV formats and paste it in directly. Note that using this method, you're going to have to save the file first before it'll upload the movie file in the live view. So we'll save as in my VisionTRX folder, and then I'll have to close back out and reopen VisionTRX. Some of the video options to make it easier to see is you can either shrink or expand the video to fit the viewing format in the middle. You can add in tracking stabilization and video stabilization just to make the video feed a little bit clearer. Always remember to regular save either using the save icon or Control S after changing any settings. Next, we will go over the media actions. First, you can use the record icon to start and stop recording measurements from the regions. The icon will turn red while the recording is in progress. You can click it again to stop the recording. Recordings will appear in the recordings view, labeled with the name of the profile and the date and time of the recording. All recordings will also log when they started with the file path name of where they're saved and when the recording stops. To view your recording, you can double click on it and it will tab next to the live view. You can use the play button and the stop buttons to freeze or start the video feed or any recordings. And lastly, for recordings, you can skip to the beginning, you can skip forward or skip back. Finally, we'll go over the region actions. The text icon creates a new text box on the video background. This is commonly used to display relevant static information such as the DUT, company name, etc. You can also use it to display dynamic fields such as real-time, daytime stamps, current amplitude or frequency, or other tile event triggers. Next, the histogram region compares an area on the live video to an original snapshot of the area using a correlation comparison as the measurement method. You can use this type of measurement when color changes are not important or for general motion detection. Note that this type of measurement is more susceptible to light variations. The next region you can use is detect color. The detect color region looks for changes in color specified by a specific detection color or range. Use this type of measurement when color changes are important, such as monitoring an indicator light. The structural similarity region compares the original image to a subsequent frames using the algorithm structural similarity. You can use this type of measurement when lighting changes or if the size of the image may change. The detect movement of interest region detects movements based on a detection color chosen by the user. Use this type of measurement when the movement of colored objects are important, such as a speedometer needle on a dashboard. The align target region positions any connected regions based on a known structure of the video. You can use this region to place other regions over specific areas of interest and track the movement or remove variations in position. Position all other regions relative to this region when the test starts. A known target structure can then be used to align the video in a consistent manner for repeat testing of specific devices. The measure frequency region measures the frequency of flashing lights. You can use this type of measurement when the rate of a flashing light must be consistent, such as a taillight or a warning LED on an instrument. Next, the track object region tracks a specific option in the video stream based off of a snapshot image. You can use this region type to track items with specific structures that are difficult to detect with other methods such as color detection. Movement of the item can then be tracked regardless of rotation and lighting. The optical character recognition, or OCR region, scans the area of interest for text and numbers, and then converts the characters to a string for comparison. Use this type of measurement to monitor changes in digital format is required. And lastly, the threshold detect region will detect changes in light intensity without regard to color. You can use this region to monitor light source intensity, such as in an LED or light bulb. Thank you for watching this video.